Sendinblue is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline your email marketing efforts. Here's a concise guide to getting started. Sign up. Visit Sendinblue's website and create an account. They offer a free plan suitable for beginners. Import contacts. Navigate to the contacts section to upload your existing email list. You can import contacts via CSV files or manually add them. Ensure your list is segmented appropriately for targeted campaigns. Create an email campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and click Create an email campaign. Enter a campaign name, subject line, and preview text. Choose an email template from Sendinblue's library or design your own using the drag and drop editor. Design your email. Customize the template by adding your content, images, and links. Ensure the design aligns with your brand identity. Set up recipients. Select the contact list or segment you want to target with this campaign. Schedule or send. Decide whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. Sendinblue allows you to optimize send times based on your audience's engagement patterns. Analyze performance. After sending, monitor the campaign's performance through the report section. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to refine future campaigns.